Today, I will be making one of the most favorites of soups, ezogelin. I am adding a tablespoon of olive oil to a pot. I am also adding a dessertspoon of butter and letting it melt. After it melts, let's add the finely chopped onion to the pot. If you would like, you can alternatively grate the onion. I am adding the 2 finely chopped garlic as well. Let's saute all of it now. After all the ingredients saute a little, let's add a tablespoon of dried mint, a dessertspoon of hot pepper flakes, and keep frying everything for a minute or 2. Then let's add a dessertspoon of tomato paste to this mix and saute it for a few minutes. I am adding a cup of red lentils, 1 tablespoon of rice, 1 tablespoon of bulgur wheat, and some salt to taste. Then let's stir the pot while sauteing them. After that, let's add 2 liters of hot water to the pot. When it reaches a boil, let's turn down the heat to a lower setting and leave it to simmer for 15 more minutes. This delicious ezogelin soup is ready now. It would serve between 6 to 8 people. I hope you all enjoy it!